HQMC Electro Permanent Magnetic Quick Clamping System with 8 safety protection measures constructs a real-time protection system for safe operation, suitable for 50 to 4,000 times injection molding machine. 20% and more of the magnetic force than common magnetic template. Compared with the conventional ways of mold change, it saves 90% of the time. The magnetic force line is concentrated on the surface of the magnetic pole when magnetizing, which forming a magnetic circuit with the mold and clamping the mold. Mold opening without deformation, which reduces friction loss of mold and improves product's yield rate. No need to unify the mold sizes. Completely achieve the maximum limit effect of the injection molding machine fixture. In the demagnetization status, the magnetic circuit is formed inside the magnetic template. Meanwhile, the magnetic field disappears on the magnetic pole and releases the mold.